All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I had a pretty good day trading in TQQ today. Sorry, in the last 2 days, I couldn't wake up in the morning. It's just I'm so tired these days that every time that I woke up, it's just late.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
And today I woke up and I saw that the market is really selling off. And so I was wondering, like, TQQ really selling off in the last 2 days. Really selling off. Let's look at actually Qs really sell off, and the reason I don't know exactly why. I think it's the economy is growing and interest rates are staying higher, and then there is some repositioning in the market that I think maybe they're buying bonds because TLT, which is the longer duration, is popping higher. So having said that, so I came in the morning a little bit late and I saw that QQQ is really selling off, and I noticed that QQQ is trying to bounce as an extreme reversal, and we have a strategy in our education center for extreme reversal that when the moving averages are crossing over on 1 minute chart, like a 50, 9 and 20 moving average crossover is a signal for buy. So I came here and I saw that we are selling off. We already bounced back. We're selling off a pullback. I started buying around here, and with the hope that we actually add around here. So that was essentially my area that we can see if we can get another another crossover of moving averages. We can get this long position. But the discussion that we had in the chat room is that, can you trade the QQQ? Yes, you can trade QQQ, but what you can also do is you can trade TQQ, which is a significantly more capital efficient on that, and that's exactly what I did. See exactly the chart. Do you see that? Do you see how the charts are equal? So from QQQ to equal, do you see that? I'm changing. This is QQQ. Just look at this part. This is QQQ. And then when I'm changing this to TQQ, is very similar, exactly very similar on intraday. So that's exactly what I traded that. So I saw that we already have the pop on this pullback. I went long, dropped a little bit. I went long again to having this as potential stop loss. And then the popped up, I started partialing out. So average 30-50, partialing out all the way up to this level on 1 minute chart, and then you continuing that. On this pullback, I added a little bit more at 31.14 for another pop, and let me actually, potentially we can, add a little bit down as well too. So I got a little bit out of this. So it's a really good one. I think TQQ is going to go to the VWAP because QQQ is right now really there is no resistance on it, just a kick out. So there is something happening in the market because now IWM, which is the small caps, the 2000 garbage companies, really does selling off. It's up 0.5%. S&P 500 and Qs dropped really bad, but they're bouncing back. So it's not a turmoil situation in the market. It might be just a rebalancing of the positions between the funds. People are trying to buy bonds specifically. That's why people are really very interested into the long duration bonds on TLT. And it was funny because when I came into the chat room this morning, I came late, but Omar, this is at 10:30. He mentioned that Andrew gonna come here and take TQQ reversal for $50 million. So he knows that. That's the thing. As a trader, people really understand how you trade, and that's a very important element of your trading, that people understand that how you trade. And of course, when I come here and Nasdaq is down 2.5%, the first thing that I want to trade is I want to try and find a reversal, which is the extreme reversal. And of course, I traded based on TQQ because I love this instrument. So now I'm up $4,600 on that, and I'm ending my day, which is really good for a day that I really wake up late. So that's pretty awesome. So $4,600 on this front, and selling all of my position. So the only position that I have right now here is I have a little bit of TQQ on the other accounts, so I thought that buy the dip a little bit, but it's not doing great. I have still JEPQ, which is very bad, as you guys know. I'm holding very big position of JEPQ. The TLT, with RD, I sold puts at 80 as a protection, so I collect $4.60 per contract. So $46,000 came to my account, but this is for January 2025. So essentially, what I said is that the bond market is really bottomed, and this is it, and you're not gonna really go any lower than that. So these are my open position. We discussed in detail that what's the difference between JP and JEPQ, and why they're better. There's also we have this video about these income dividend funds that are really good in the markets that are volatile but really flat. All right, so that's my position, guys. Qs are popping up again, really nice. So that's a very amazing. I got out of it completely of TQQ, but it's going to go to VWAP, as I mentioned. Did anyone in the chat room took the TQQ long? It was very amazing, nice. Yeah, TQQ is amazing. There you go. Beautiful move on that. Yeah, Thundercat took it. Nice, very nice. All right, guys, have a good day. Today's Thursday, guys. Mentorship session by Thor in the evening. Paris added mentorship sessions on Sunday. Again, I want to mention that, guys, that feel free to attend to that one. And yeah, all the best, guys. The market has been very volatile and very lovely to trade. This is the time that you really should trade, because investment wise, your money really might not do anything in the next year or so. We might get into a very volatile, choppy market. So that is really a nightmare for investors, but amazing for traders. All right, guys, thank you so much. And again, sorry, in the last couple of days I couldn't trade at the open. It's just getting very difficult for me to wake up in the mornings, and maybe I have to seriously consider moving to a time zone that it's easier, because even when I wake up, I just don't have enough energy to do anything. Like, it's just really getting bad. I'm getting old. All the best, guys.